Hello my friends, on today's video I'm going to talk to you about Louis Vuitton key holders, so stay tuned. It's your Lux Queen Jackie. I put out videos every week on Monday, so stay tuned every Monday for a new video. On today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the Louis Vuitton key holders and all the ways you can keep your keys in control and in your bag so they don't damage your bags. The key holders I have for you today is the Louis Vuitton 4-ring key holder, the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, and the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I'm going to start today with the Louis Vuitton 4-ring key holder. I'm going to put it up here so that you can see it. It is one piece of Louis Vuitton canvas in the monogram print. And I'm going to open it so that you can see it in the back. It's just one piece of canvas all around with gold hardware. If I turn it around, I've had this for a very long time, so it's very old and you can see the wear and tear on it. It has 4 key rings, that's why it's called a 4-ring key holder. And you can put, I would say, up to 3 keys on each little key ring thing. It has this little slot here, but you really can't put anything in here. Like I said, I've had this for a long time. It has a lot of wear and tear. I really don't use it anymore. I graduated to the 6-ring key holder, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This is the way it looks. Let me turn it around. The measurements are 4.13 inches long, 2.17 inches high, and 0.39 inches wide. Like I said, I've had this little key holder for a very long time, for years. It was one of my first Louis Vuitton accessory pieces. I can't get myself to get rid of it. I just keep it for, I guess, sentimental value. I really love it and I will not get rid of it. I am going to keep it forever. But last December for Christmas, I was gifted this 6-ring key holder, which is what I've graduated to. So I'm going to show you what the 6-ring key holder looks like. It looks very similar to the 4-ring key holder, just bigger. Also, I'll show you one piece of canvas. As you can see, I'm using this one. They're my keys. One piece of canvas and gold hardware also. It's so pretty. It's such a really pretty piece and very, very comfortable and very, very useful. The 6-ring key holder retails for $265 in the Louis Vuitton website, and I forgot to tell you that the 4-ring key holder retails for $225 in the Louis Vuitton website. I wanted to share with you that these pieces come in various prints, not only the monogram, but also in the Damier Azur print, which is this print right here, and the Damier Ebene print, which is this print right here. It also comes in other prints, which I'm going to put right here so that you can see the prints that they come in. Now let me show you the inside of this key holder. You can see it has 6 little key hooks. I'm only using 3, and you can put up to 3 keys also per little hook there. It also has a little slip in the back that you can, when you go out, you can put your cards in there or your ID, and you don't have to take your whole bag. Let me show you quick. I have 2 gift cards here, and as you can see, I'll slip them back there. That would be like my credit card and my ID, and close it up, and we can leave without having a big bag. If you want to go do a grocery run or something quickly and you just want to take your keys, your ID, a credit card, and maybe some cash, this will do just great. Taking the keys out can be a little tricky, but I'll show you. You just push these 2 ends down, and then this slides to the side, and then you can take whatever little key hook out and change your keys, and when you want it back, just slide it back on. Putting the keys in here can be a little tricky too. Be careful of your manicure, but they can go in. I try to use like a little knife to help me open the little key things little key hooks. So maybe you can try that. Let me show you how my car keys fit in here. I really do not put, this is my car key. I do not put it in here because it is a little bulky. But as you can see, if I put my car key in here and I try to close it, it will not close. It will not close. It's too bulky. Maybe let's try with 2 keys. If I put 2 keys, let's see, in here, not closing either. Almost, but not quite. With 1 key, let's see, with 1 key, it will close with 1 key, but it looks kind of wonky. I do not like the way that looks. It like forces it too much, so I don't like it. Maybe if you did not have any house keys and use this solely for your car key, let's try that. See how that looks. That's a little better. I still kind of don't like it much. For me, I wouldn't want these keys hanging out. This is why I use a key holder, so the keys won't damage my bags. So I rather keep this by itself, and then use this for my house keys. Let me show you the 6-ring key holder and the 4-ring key holder side by side. Look at the difference. This is way bigger. Let me turn it to the side. Look, it's higher. It is longer, and it is a little thicker. So that, as you can see, there's a big difference between the two. I'm going to tell you my preference. Out of these 2 beauties, I love this key holder. I love its versatility. I love that I can just put some credit cards in and my ID and go when I don't want to carry a bag. I really, really enjoy this key holder. I'm interrupting this video because I forgot to tell you the story on how this 6 key holder broke. I got this 6 key holder in December for Christmas, and in February, I realized that every time I was using it, the keys were falling out. Obviously, that's very dangerous. So I decided, you know what? Let me take it to Louis Vuitton so they can fix it or give me a new one. I went, I had my receipt because the person who gave it to me for Christmas gave me a receipt with it. So I went and I took it, and I told him that this little thing seemed to be broken because my key, it would open automatically and my keys would slip out and fall on the floor. So the SA that was taking care of me, I think he was new, he told me that yes, they can get it fixed. He checked it out, he looked it over, he said it was perfect, it was new, but that it would cost me $90 to get this little thing replaced. I told him I didn't think I should pay for that, being that it was only February. I had used it for 2 months and not even. We were in the middle of the pandemic. We're not going anywhere. So I really wasn't using my keys. So, I mean, I told him I've used this key holder, yes, maybe 6 times since I got it. So he said I would have to pay the $90. I said, fine. I signed the paperwork. They took it in. But when I got home, I was like, you know what? I don't feel like I have to pay for this. So I started emailing the SA. I texted him. I called him. And I asked to speak to his manager. And I said, look, I don't think I should pay for this. Look at the receipt. I've had it for 2 months. I've hardly used it. I am a very good Louis Vuitton customer. You can look at my paperwork. I don't think I should pay for this. And I was very upset about it. And, you know, I kept hounding them until finally the manager called me and said that I would not have to pay for the repairs, which, you know what? I think it's only natural. 2 months, not even 2 months, using it 6 times? No, that's unacceptable. Obviously, there was something wrong with the key holder. So they took it in. It took about, I would say like 8 weeks, and they replaced this part, and now it's as good as new. So the moral to this story is if you don't think you should pay for a repair, email them, text them, call them, call the manager, call customer service, you know, as much as you can, because if you don't think you should pay for it, then maybe you shouldn't. This was brand new and there was no reason why I had to pay for this repair. So I am very glad they came to their senses. Now, back to our video. The last Louis Vuitton accessory that I want to show you to hold my keys is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. This little beauty was my first Louis Vuitton accessory that I received. It is so loved by me. I love it so much. It's again in monogram canvas. Look at the front and look at the back. It has zippered enclosure. When you open it, it has a little key fob. Here, if you want, you can put your keys. I use it to store my extra credit cards or gift cards. You can put them in here, and it is a wonderful, wonderful piece and so comfortable. It is 4.7 inches long, 2.8 inches high, and 0.4 inches wide. And like I said, it has the little zipper with the Louis Vuitton symbol right there, and the key ring that has the LV right there. And I'm going to show you with the same cards how they fit. They go right in here, and you zip it, and you can put your keys right here. Or the way I used to use it before I had the 4-ring and the 6-ring key holder, actually the 6-ring key holder, I already had the 4-ring, is I would put my keys in here and slip them in here so they wouldn't damage my bag. This key pouch retails in the Louis Vuitton website for $270. Now let's see if my car keys fit in here. Let's see. And here's my car key again, and I have nothing in there. I'm gonna put it in there and zip it. My car key fits fine. The zipper is a little wonky again, so you have to decide if that's okay with you. But if you go like this and pinch it so it goes all the way down, it fixes that problem. Car keys in here. So you can very well do 6-ring key holder for your house keys, and so that you can put your credit card and ID when you don't want to carry a bag, and this little key pouch for your car key. Well, my friends, thank you for watching my review of the Louis Vuitton 4-ring key holder, 6-ring key holder, and key pouch. Please click on this video right here so that you can see my review of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. And also click on this video right here so that you can see the essentials to carry in your bag. Thank you again for watching. Please click that like button. It'll really help my video analytics. And don't forget to subscribe below, and I will see you in my next video.